on the 30th anniversary of the club in 1993, Vernon Hill, W4DZI, wrote an article for the Leading Edge Journal, which is now online for all of us to read. And I'm just going to give you a kind of few pieces out of the Leading Edge Journal that he wrote. He, of course, talked about the founding of the club. He gave a lot of credit to Bill Moran, W4MIB, as well as Ray, 5RJ, and trying to come up with the name of the radio club. According to Vernon, many proposals were floated, although he doesn't give us what the lofty titles were, but it was eventually agreed that the Vienna Wireless Society would be the name. Al Valieri, call sign K4HTA, was said to be the most influential in suggesting and encouraging the adoption of the present name. The club immediately began its public service mission. It raised funds for the building of the new, at the time, Vienna Community Center. And with the combined efforts of other public spirited clubs, the fundraising was a success. The cornerstone was laid in 1964. The club early on started offering electronic theory and Morse code classes to bring in new blood because they were worried that hams were aging out in 1963. Yeah, believe it or not. Same conversation we have every month. During the first year of the club, it was Genesis. Fred Atkinson designed what we can no longer use as our logo, which is a smoke signal. So we have the lightning bolt transmission there. So, and various documents, club awards and letterheads, and was on Winterfest coffee mugs. I haven't seen one of those, so might be pretty interesting. Anyway, we mentioned Al, of course, the call letters K4HTA became the club's call sign, and then later the call sign for the club's repeater. Of course, there was a first field day, there was a first picnic. He doesn't go into those details here, so I'm not going to go into them tonight because I wasn't at either of them. But you know, it's a rich club with a rich history, and I want to do a little experiment here. So I would like to ask all current members of the Vienna Wireless Society to please stand up. If you're a current member of the Vienna Wireless Society, please stand up. All right. No, we're gonna do it the other direction. If you joined in 2020 or later, please sit down. 2020 or later. If you joined in 2015 or later, please sit down. I have to sit down, but I'm going to keep standing because I'm the MC. 2010 or later, please sit down. 2005 or later, please sit down. 2000 or later, please sit down. 1995 or later, please sit down. 1994 or later, please sit down. 1993 or later, please sit down. 1992 or later, please sit down. 1991 or later, please sit down.
I don't remember.
You don't remember. We have a winner.
Dean.
Well,
1990.
1990? 1990 or later?
I think that's what they have on the record.
Frank said 1990, and what year?
1980 something.
1980 something. So Stephen, you're the longest standing member of the club, former president of the club. Let's give a big round of applause. So the club's got a rich history, and apparently it's got staying power. So being the president of the club is fun because you get to be the guy who stands up and takes all the credit, but I actually didn't do all the work. The work happened to get us here for the 60th anniversary happened by a lot of people. So Lou, KN4IJC, can you please stand? Lou's back here. Lou's our 60th anniversary champion. W2WCN, Bill, please stand. Bill put together our special event station. Jacek, please stand. K4W. Jacek, our AV maestro, takes care of all the AV and is the reason you can hear me tonight. So, thank you very much. Mike, W8AH said, and Michael, which I've been told it's Michael, KQ4, KBA, please stand. They put together the dinner tonight, folks. Big round of applause. So much. And I already mentioned our special member UN0WEN, unknown, put together our slideshow. So she did, that unknown person did a great job. And finally,
Something you didn't understand.
let's give a great round of applause to the American Legion Post 180 staff for their excellent beverage. Thank you, guys. I see there's still cake in the back if you want some. We are here till 9, so feel free to socialize and enjoy. But this includes the program. And so for the 60th anniversary event, tonight in 73, all this KK4 DAS. So